Okay, this coffee grinder is coming with everything: the carrying case and the cleaning brush, and the handle is all ready. You can just put your coffee beans and start grinding. It is a great mechanism. You can do some adjustments on the grind. So this is the handle mechanism. Can make adjustments. You can make too fine or bigger pieces of coffee grounds. It has a pretty good amount that it can take inside. See, let's see. Okay, grinding is kind of difficult. You need some muscles. Here we are, our first ground pieces. They're all uniform. So after a while of grinding, you can see this through the glass piece, and you will have our ground coffee. It's pretty good amount. You can clean this out. You can take these things apart. You can, with the provided brush, you can clean each of these pieces pretty nicely. And sometimes putting back might be challenging. There's a spring mechanism, so you need to push them from both sides nicely. Overall, it's a great product for travel or in office.